Very good morning, everyone. Here is the Group 1 presentation, and our product name is Smart Window Cleaner. As you can see, the right corner side is our brand name, the Watterfall. Before start, let me introduce our group member, which is Ming Heng, Jia Wei, Zhou Chen, Zeming, Bing Tong, Jisan, and me, Xing Hong. And now you can see this is our table of content. For the first is the design challenge. For the second is our sustainable development goals. And the third is problem. And the fourth is about our prototype. And the next is the business model. And the last will come to the value proposition and business viability. For the first is our design challenge. For this product is designed for the workers that having a high risk working with the high rise building. To address this issue, our group proposed an automatic window cleaner. This solution would automate the window cleaning process, making it safer and more efficient. Particular for tall or difficult to reach area by removing the need for manual labor. It could also reduce the risk of accident while ensuring a consistent and true clean. And the next I will pass to Jermin.
So now I will explain the SDG of our project. Our project aligns with Goal 3, Good Health and Well-being, and Goal 9, Industry Innovation and Infrastructure, driving positive impact on health and industry modernization. For the first one is Goal 3, Good Health and Well-being. Our automated window cleaning technology reduces the risk of high-altitude work, minimizing the workplace accidents, and also improve the worker health and safety. For the second goal is Industry Innovation and Infrastructure. By modernizing building maintenance with smart technology, our project promotes sustainable infrastructure and innovation, raising the industry standard and efficiency.
From our daily routine, we found out that some issue happen to large company accountants when they are dealing with high-rise buildings. The cleaning of the windows and glass panes, which is high-rise buildings, is inconvenience and got a high risk for them due to water limitation, treacherous weather, and so on. This lead them to clean with normal means, and it is out of reach for many. According to the data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics, from 2003 to 2013, there are 88 reports. From 2014 and 2018, there are about 3 to 4 fatalities per year in the US. From 2016, there is a high-profile cases involve two windows cleaners who fell to their deaths from a high-rise building. In 2018, another incident occurred in Penang where a high-rise window cleaner fell from a multi-story building. These cases highlight the dangers of equipment failure and insufficient safety measures.
Hello everyone. So for my part, I'm going to introduce to you to our prototype, the prototype of smart window cleaner. Some of the features that are listed here for our smart window cleaner is that it's fully automated. It does not involve the use of human. It uses a button system to control when to start, when to pause, when to stop, and it has wheels to move up and down. And for the cleaning purposes, uh, it usually uses the higher density fabric or microfiber cloths to clean the window. As mentioned before, that it has a water tank and it has three holes where the water comes out of it with the cleaning solution. But we're not sure about the cleaning solution because the fiber we're using is enough to clean the windows even without the cleaning solution. And and it also has sensor to detect obstacle like bird, uh, automated navigation. Our window cleaner has built-in sensors that enable it to map and navigate a window surface on its own. And uh, we have equipped the device with the multi-stage cleaning system. It uses a combination of water or cleaning solution, rotating brushes, and microfiber cloths to ensure through cleaning without leaving streaks. And smart app control we have, and the device connects to a smartphone app, allowing users to control it remotely. The app provides the option to start, pause, or stop cleaning, and even schedule cleaning sessions. Users can also monitor the device's progress in real time. And I'm gonna take you for some of the steps how it works. The user actually places a device on the window and turns it on. Uh, the sensor initiates surface mapping, assessing the window dimension and detecting any edges. The cleaner uses its suction system to adhere to the window securely. It starts cleaning by following a systematic path, covering the entire area efficiently and avoiding overlaps. And lastly, when finished, the device returns to its starting position for easy removal. Some of the components I already mentioned, but there are some other components I would like to mention. It has suction system, brush and spray mechanism, sensors, and microcontroller and app integration. For the second part, we have a blueprint how it actually gonna look like. So the width of a railway would be according to the width of the railway would be according to the size of the building. It is customizable, as you can see from the slide that a railway is going to attach to the left and right side of the building, and this is how our machine is going to uh, adhere to the surface of the building, and it changes according to the needs of the consumer. And our machine size is going to be 45-meter in width, and as I mentioned before, it has three microfiber cloths to clean the windows. Uh, for each building, there's gonna be four machines. It also has water supply connected to it, and also senses it uh, when the when the water level is below when the water level is below to the desired point. It automatically up intakes the water, and for the other sensors, they navigate the whole uh, building, avoiding the edges. And so for the consumer's need, it is very customizable. And so it actually, with all this, you can actually see that it does not involve any use of human. Everything is so automated, and it's actually can reduce the risk of people getting injured. Or thank you. This is for my part.
So now I'll be talking about our business model. Our partners are also our resources, and our resources includes our partners. Our partners are the high-rise buildings, commercial buildings, and it also includes like the construction workers, the warehouses, the resources and the materials. Next is our business model. So our business model encompasses how we are going to sell it, like the cash flow, we are trying to price it as like a low price, stay competitive. And because due to like finishing one whole project takes some time, so the cash flow might become of a problem. So to solve this, we ask for a down payment first. Then after each completion of each floor, meaning we install each floor with our cleaning machine, we will ask for further payment.
Hi, Miss. I will continue presenting on the budgeting and revenue part. On the left-hand side is all the budgeting, so what the expenses are that we are going to use. All the component we list it down, right? The roadway system, the lift system, the cleaning, the pipe, controller, all the material that we're gonna use to build this project. And our project is depending on the size of the building, so it's customized. The quantity and price over here is just a normal sizes, like the size the slide before we have shown a building, and the total cost would be 4,700. And the revenue part we have planned to charging for 1,005 for installations, and the price would be 15K. And maybe the 15K is a bit expensive, but consider of safety, saving life, building a good reputation, good image of the company. I believe this course is worth it. So in total, we're gonna earn around 12K and 300. And majority we are targeting on the high-rise building lah. So these prices is reasonable for those businesses. And yeah, is the end of my presenting. I'll pass to Javi. Thank you.
So the next part is the value propositions. Our objective is eco-friendly and safe way to clean your windows, reduce risk of accident and insurance payment. So because we provide the automatic intelligence window cleaning service that require no manual operations, and we also provide the remove control function allows the user to manage cleaning via the mobile device. The last part is the scale up. We plan to conquer this market by using our USP of full range and all-encompassing Windows cleaning machines for high-rise building. This also decides barrier of entries due to the large step-out capital. So that's all of our presentations. Thank you.